How to use promo code on Domino's app. So let's get started. Firstly, launch the Domino's app on your iPhone or Android device. Browse the menu and add your desired items to the cart. Once you are done adding items, simply tap on the cart icon available in the top right corner of your screen. Once you're inside the cart, you can also add other few items you need. And once you have added, simply tap on the checkout option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now scroll down till you see the option available, add promo code on the checkout screen. Now all you have to do is type in the promo code you received, example from a promotion or an email. After entering the promo code, simply tap apply. If the code is valid, the discount will be reflected in your order total. Review your order to ensure the promo code has been applied and the discount is reflected. Then proceed with the payment to complete the order. Also, make sure the promo code is still valid. If it is expired, it won't work. If you are logged into your Domino's account, promo codes may be easier to apply, especially if you have received them via email or notifications. So that is it. By following these steps, you should be able to enjoy a discounted meal with your promo code. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.